morning, guys. Today is a Sunday morning and we are about to complete the maintenance we started the week. We are still working on this 160 capacity of machine. The pipe amendment, we are doing maintenance. Pipe amendment is almost done. Hopefully today we are going to finish the maintenance and install the rag inside the system. As you can see, let's watch and see the present condition of the rag now. As you can see. Now we have brought out the layer of the machine. As you can see, this is a 160 capacity house block machine. And this is the layer. So this is what we're about to work today. We are going to maintain this machine. This rag is a 160 capacity of house block machine rag. So we are about to pick up the work. This is the present condition of the rag. Comparing to before, it was rough. Now we have amended the rag. Look at how it was before. You can see this one. And then it was rough with done with rope. But this is how we did it now. And you can notice the difference now. Now we have added a half-inch pipe at the middle of the machine. You can see this. You see, we added half-inch pipe. So to this half-inch pipe, we enable the system accumulate more gas and do a perfect work to the gas blocks. So this is the work we are about to do this morning. We are almost done. We have completed all the 9 layers, but then the up layer which we are about to finish this morning. You can see we are about to finish this up layer this morning. We are about to finish this one this morning, and when we are done, it's going to be installed on this machine. This is the machine. The rag is going to be installed. Our previous video we showed when we are removing it out. As you can see, everywhere is rough. It's not yet maintained. They have not installed it. When we install it, we clean up all the surroundings of the machine so that it will start functioning back again. Thank you guys, and watch the video as we do the work.